Dave, did you know China's going all Jackie Chan on us?
Really?
The FX Morning Mayhem podcast is an essential listen for currency traders. Each episode covers a curated watch list of key currency pairs alongside insightful market observations. It highlights crucial daily news events that could influence the market, ensuring traders are well informed. Additionally, the podcast offers valuable trading strategy tips catering to both new and experienced traders in the Forex market. This podcast is for educational purposes only. None of this info should be construed as investment advice. To see the trades called out live for free on our Slack channel, click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join the trade faction. If you find this podcast valuable, please follow and share with a friend. And now, on with the show. Good morning, everyone. It's Friday, February 7th, 2025, and you're listening to FX Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, stocks and bonds are trading cautiously as investors await the release of the US non-farm payrolls, NFP, report and the European Central Bank's, ECB, natural interest rate revision. Amazon is down 2.6% in pre-market trading despite beating expectations due to weak Q1 guidance. The US dollar shows mixed performance against other currencies, with the British pound attempting to recover recent losses. Industrial commodities display a slight upward trend, while precious metals remain stable pending the US jobs data. Key events on the horizon include the ECB's revision of the natural interest rate, US NFP, and payrolls benchmark revision, Canadian employment figures, the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey, and speeches from Federal Reserve officials Bowman and Kugler. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave up next. Thanks for listening to FX Morning Mayhem podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you found this helpful.
If there is nothing going on, I'm going to skip it. So Aussie, New Zealand, nothing. Aussie US dollar, this one is in the zone. It is trending down. We would be looking for shorts, and it's in the inception zone. So all we're waiting for here is for a sweet spot to form. So we'll mark that one. I don't like orange today. Let's do purple. Okay. Euro CAD. This one is also in the zone, trending down, looking for shorts. So we'll put that one on the watch list today. Pound, Canadian dollar, nothing. New Zealand, US dollar, in a downtrend, looking for shorts, and in the zone. So we're waiting for a sweet spot to form here, and we should be in good shape. That one goes on the watch list. Singapore dollar, CHF, nothing happening. US dollar, Canadian dollar, downtrend, looking for shorts, in the zone, waiting for a sweet spot. That old country song. US CHF, long trend, looking for longs, and in the zone. I like this new little cursor thing, except I wish you could change its color because that's hard to see. So this one will get added to the list. So we have quite a few to keep an eye on today for potential opportunities. We just posted the employment number that was supposed to rock the world, and it didn't, because it was supposed to reflect the loss of all of the illegal immigrants from the jobs data. And nothing happened. There you go. So much for hype. Anyway, Dave, did you know China's going all Jackie Chan on us?
Really?
Yeah. This whole DeepSeek thing has driven a significant rise in the technology sector. Instruments, specifically AI oriented in the Chinese market. The Hang Seng Tech Index has entered a bull market and it's risen 20% since just January. Interesting because that whole DeepSeek thing was a huge foot up our ass going, they did it cheaper, faster, better with one hand tied behind their back.
Yeah.
That'll give you a little feel for the hype coming out of Silicon Valley. Anyway, Fridays, all the indices are up for all the Chinese AI companies. Impressive performances from EV, AI, and robotic stocks. They're kind of doing really well in all those.
Yeah.
With companies like Geely, Li Auto, and BYD experiencing substantial increases. In Goldman Sachs, analyst says cautiously optimistic about Chinese stocks, citing got to see what's going to happen with the tariffs.
They're all drug
However,
tariffs.
be careful because the escalation of a U.S.-China trade war could basically tank the whole thing in a minute.
And he's not going to do that.
That's right. So I know. You're going to be a good trader. You listen to the news and you do exactly the opposite. Is all I got.
All right.
All right.
All right, sir.
Have a good weekend.